If you're a retiree looking to protect your wealth and ensure your savings are secure, you're probably wondering, what is a gold IRA rollover and how can I do it? In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to roll over your IRA or 401k into a gold IRA and why it's one of the smartest moves you can make right now. I'll also help you avoid common mistakes, ensure your investment is safe, and explain why many Americans are choosing gold IRAs as a hedge against economic uncertainty. But stick around till the end, because I'll reveal how you can take action within the next 2 weeks and secure your wealth with one simple step. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, click the first link in the description for a free guide to gold IRAs. Thousands of Americans are already using this guide to safeguard their assets. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Now let's break down the gold IRA rollover process. The first step is understanding what a gold IRA is. It's a self-directed retirement account that lets you invest in physical gold and other precious metals. If you've been holding onto paper assets in a regular IRA or 401k, you might already know that inflation and market volatility can eat into your savings. That's where a gold IRA comes in. By diversifying your portfolio with physical gold, you can protect your wealth from those risks. The next thing you'll need is a custodian, someone who will manage your gold IRA. The IRS requires that you use an IRS-approved custodian to hold your precious metals. Don't worry, this isn't as complicated as it sounds. A reputable custodian will help set up your account, guide you through the paperwork, and ensure your assets are stored safely. And yes, your gold will be stored in a secure, insured facility, never in your home. Once you've got your custodian in place, the next step is to initiate the rollover. This is where you transfer funds from your existing IRA or 401k into your new gold IRA. You'll want to avoid any penalties, which is why it's important to do a direct rollover. With a direct rollover, your funds go straight from your current IRA or 401k to your new gold IRA without you ever touching the money. This avoids taxes and penalties, ensuring your retirement savings continue to grow tax-deferred. You may be wondering, why gold? While other forms of investment like stocks or bonds are vulnerable to market swings, gold has proven to hold its value over time. During periods of economic downturn, gold has historically acted as a safe haven, preserving wealth even when other assets falter. This is especially important for retirees who want to protect their savings in the face of inflation or market instability. Next, you'll need to select the gold products you want to invest in. It could be coins, bullion, or bars, whatever fits your investment strategy. Your custodian can help you with this. Just make sure you're investing in IRS-approved gold, and the process will be smooth. Once your gold IRA is set up and your gold is purchased, the final step is to ensure you're monitoring your account regularly. While a gold IRA is a long-term investment, it's always wise to keep track of market conditions and the performance of your precious metals. You can work with your custodian to adjust your strategy as needed, ensuring you're always on the right track. Now, here's the real takeaway. If you're ready to start your gold IRA rollover today, don't wait. The economy is uncertain, and as a retiree, it's more important than ever to protect your assets. If you're serious about safeguarding your wealth, especially if you have 100K or more in your IRA, 401k, or even 5 plus in savings, this gold IRA rollover could be one of the most important financial decisions you make. Click the first link in the description to get your free guide to gold IRAs. It's designed specifically for American retirees, helping you take the right steps to secure your financial future. By now, you should have a solid understanding of what a gold IRA rollover is and how to do it. Remember, with a gold IRA, you're not just investing in gold, you're investing in your future security. So take action today and protect your wealth for years to come.